Heavy rain in Bamburi, Mombasa. Look at the van. People. A lot of lights on the van. That's the culture in Kenya. I'm in the apartment right now, and it's 6:43 in the morning Kenyan time, which is 4:43 in UK. Nasty weather, very nasty weather today. Okay, rain is we need the rain, but not this much. It's too much now. Since 3 days it's raining like that. Big tankers. There's 4 tankers on one, another one have also 4 tankers. This have a towel, there is internet. Things installed. Internet satellites. So people have a nice day. And that house is very small. The old house. Here is another house. Here, the roof, you can see that's another house. This house is not even finished proper way. Poa basi. Matatu. Nice houses there. This is Bamburi, Kenya, Mombasa.